So here you can see the high level course layout. I have divided it into 5 chapters, and each chapter we will have multiple lessons in it. On the first chapter, we are going to look at the introduction part, learn the basics of the options, and get into the details of what a call option is, a put option is, how do you do the trade with a call and put, a buy or a sell, and we will see in which situations what kind of trade you need to take, and we'll summarize all that steps in the first chapter. Getting on to the second chapter, we will look little more detail on option chain, candlesticks, and different patterns it forms, and how to read a technical chart, and what do you need, or the basic information that you need to master in order to be able to do options trading. We are going to learn about that. We are going to discuss about the option choices, open interest, FII and DII trade data. In the next chapter, we will look at option Greeks, Theta, Delta, Gamma, Vega, VIX, and also discuss about Opstra, a tool that can be highly useful for option traders. Coming on to the fourth chapter, the most interesting and very much relevant chapter for most of the option traders. We are going to discuss in detail what are the different strategies or the most common strategies and how it is being traded. We will go over with different examples, analyze the profit and loss scenarios, and we'll also do some demonstrations. So we are going to cover covered call, cash secured put, long straddle. What is the advantages between option buying versus selling? We are going to discuss about that. And then coming back to again strategies, we are going to talk about short straddle, iron butterfly, long strangle, short strangle, iron condor, long calendar call spread, long calendar put spread, and bull and bear call and put spreads. Finally, in the last chapter, we are going to discuss the most important topic, which is margin and money management. We are going to talk how you're going to assess the risk, what needs to be your profit and loss targets, and also talk about adjustment techniques, what you need to deploy in case if your trade goes wrong.